Today, following Standard & Poor's credit downgrade, the telecoms giant says the sovereign downgrade reflects increased risk for the group, to which MTN Nigeria is a significant contributor. S&P lowered the group's credit rating in the wake of the September 16th downgrade of Nigeria's sovereign rating.
The downgrade in Nigeria exposes the risks of operating in African economies which are going through challenges. It shows that contagion can affect foreign investors when the sovereign rating of a country in which they are invested is downgraded. Any attempt by MTN to raise debt for its Nigerian operation could become more expensive. Nigeria remains MTN's single largest market with 62 million customers.
Nigeria, we know, has been a difficult environment, not only for MTN but for quite a lot of companies, and also considering the fact that Nigeria is almost like an oil economy. We know what has happened to the price of oil. So if you look at Nigerian outlook, it's not looking that much good.
I think what it's saying is, in this hostile environment, it is worthwhile considering that their growth prospects are not positive in the short to medium term.
Last month, MTN launched a new 9.9 billion rand transaction called MTN Nigeria. This is a special purpose vehicle that will hold about 4% equity in MTN Group. But does this recent development impact their decision-making process? MTN customers are unlikely to be affected by the credit downgrade, but others are probably still considering whether or not to invest in the new empowerment scheme.
I would say wait and see. Really, rather be sure of what the situation is. And yes, the share price may have moved a little in the meantime. That's okay. Be sure that you're going to get your money back, all of it, on time. And that's not very problematic looking at the moment.
Meanwhile, controversies surrounding MTN are also doing very little for its reputation. Last week, lawmakers in Nigeria's upper house of parliament agreed to investigate claims that MTN has illegally transferred $13.2 billion from Nigeria to South Africa over the last decade.
There is also some credibility issues that comes from the Nigerian authorities. Speculation out there, look, people are not sure as to whether the Nigerian government wants to extract something from MTN, or they are genuine in some of the issues that have been raised. But look, we don't speculate as to the reasons why we are seeing or hearing all these issues.
MTN is expected to face further pressure as South Africa's sovereign credit rating comes under review in December. This is with the current projection that S&P will also cut the country's rating to junk status. Diabo Seto, SABC News, Johannesburg.